Want to know how to remove someone from a Trello board? You would want to remove someone from Trello board when they are no longer part of the organization or team. Removing them ensures that the sensitive or private information is kept secure. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to remove someone from a Trello board. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the Trello app on your screen. Now open any board you wish to remove members. Then tap on the three-dot icon at the top right corner of your screen. Likewise, tap on the Members section. Furthermore, tap onto the profile of the member you want to remove. Finally, tap on the Remove Member option at the bottom of the menu. So this is how you can remove someone from Trello board. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.